Okay, so we've just made keys to this Toyota Camry 2002, and there's my business card. So what we're going to do, we've got two transponders here. These are, and I just programmed in a valet key, so the customer will get two keys. This is just a standard key, and we're going to see if the car works. So I've just put the computer back in, and the light is flashing. It's immobilized, so let's just give it a go without transponder. Light is still flashing, lights are on the dash, and nothing happens, it won't work. So let's pull the key out, put it in again, turn it. We'll take one of these transponders that I just programmed, and somehow holding the phone, holding the phone and trying to do this at the same time. Okay, so we've got it on, car's running, security light is off, and we'll try the other transponder now. So let's turn it off, pull the key out, security light is flashing, hold that there, and somehow I'm going to hold the transponder there at the same time, and turn the car, and there's our transponder, and that's it. So that's a Toyota Camry